How to prepare lavender tea at home. Lavender tea is a herbal tea made from the dried flowers of the lavender plant, scientifically known as Lavandula angustifolia. The lavender plant is native to the Mediterranean region and is well known for its sweet fragrance, calming properties, and potential health benefits. Lavender tea is a fragrant and relaxing herbal tea that can be enjoyed at any time of day. It is made from dried lavender buds and has a subtle, sweet flavor that is soothing and calming. Here are some steps to help you prepare lavender tea at home. Ingredients: dried lavender flowers, water, honey lemon juice. 1. Measure out the lavender flowers. Start by measuring out 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers for every cup of tea that you want to make. If you prefer a stronger tea, you can add an extra tablespoon of flowers. 2. Boil water. Boil water in a pot or kettle. The water should be fresh and clean, not stale or previously boiled. Avoid distilled or softened water, as they can affect the taste of the tea. 3. Steep the lavender. Once the water has come to a boil, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Place the lavender flowers in a tea infuser or strainer, and place the infuser in a cup. Pour the hot water over the infuser and let the tea steep for 5-7 minutes. For a stronger tea, you can steep it for up to 10 minutes. 4. Strain the tea. After steeping, strain the lavender tea into a cup using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser. This will remove any bits of lavender or other debris from the tea. 5. Sweeten and add flavor. If you prefer your tea sweetened, you can add honey or sugar to taste. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice or a slice of lemon for added flavor. Your lavender tea is now ready to drink. You can enjoy it hot or cold, depending on your preference. Lavender tea is a great beverage to enjoy before bedtime, as it can help promote relaxation and better sleep. Tips for making lavender tea. Use fresh lavender. Using fresh lavender can give your tea a stronger and more aromatic flavor. You can use fresh lavender if available, but dried lavender works just as well. Don't oversteep the tea. Oversteeping your lavender tea can make it bitter and unpalatable. To avoid this, stick to the recommended steeping time of 5 to 10 minutes. Experiment with different varieties of lavender. There are many varieties of lavender, each with its unique flavor and aroma. Experiment with different types of lavender to find the one that suits your taste. Store lavender properly. Store your lavender in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to prevent it from losing its flavor and aroma. Lavender tea is not only delicious, but also has several potential health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of lavender tea. Promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Lavender has long been known for its relaxing properties. Drinking lavender tea can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, making it a great choice for those looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day. Improves sleep quality. Lavender tea is also known for its ability to improve sleep quality. Drinking a cup of lavender tea before bedtime can help calm the mind and promote better sleep. This makes it a great choice for those who struggle with insomnia or other sleep disorders. Relieves headaches and migraines. Lavender tea may also help relieve headaches and migraines. This is due to the calming effects of lavender, which can help reduce tension in the body and ease pain. Supports digestive health. Lavender tea has also been shown to have benefits for digestive health. It can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it a great choice for those with digestive problems. While lavender tea is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation, there are some potential side effects and precautions to be aware of. Here are some possible side effects of lavender tea. Allergic reactions. Some people may have an allergic reaction to lavender tea, especially if they are allergic to other plants in the same family, such as mint or sage. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Drowsiness. Lavender tea is known for its calming and relaxing properties, but it can also cause drowsiness or dizziness in some people. It is not recommended to drive or operate heavy machinery after consuming lavender tea. Hormonal effects. Lavender tea may have hormonal effects and is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. It may also interfere with certain medications or hormone therapies.